All right, so just taking this time to invite your eyes to close if that's helpful, and allowing both your feet to be flat on the ground. And let's begin by taking in 3 beautiful deep breaths. Receiving each and every breath that is in this moment with that sense of gratitude. Filling the whole body with the oxygen as we breathe in. And feeling into that full support of how this body is here for us. The sense of just noticing all the different points of contact that the body makes with either the chair or the ground. And if you're sitting on a cushion, you might just even notice the sit bones resting upon what's here for you. Beginning to just feel into the space that we are in right now, the environment that you find yourself in this moment, and beginning to just bring this awareness into how's the mind doing in this point in time. Coming to this practice in a non-striving way. And that includes just noticing what thoughts are we caught up with today, even right now. And offering yourself that space to just set all this aside and intentionally, with gratitude, bring awareness into this very breath. Breathing in, just feeling into the sensations of breathing, wherever that is felt most vividly in your body. So breath by breath, we simply allowing ourselves to let this breath take place on its own. Receiving this breath in a very gentle way. And what that means is not needing to judge ourselves each time that we find attention moving away from the breath towards some other objects or thoughts. But instead, having that spaciousness of just acknowledging that this is what it is. So we come into this practice of breathing, not needing to strive for this practice to be perfect, but instead offering ourselves that generosity of choosing to be with exactly how this breath is right now. And now, very gently, just letting this breath We sit in the background of our awareness. And from this moment, I'd like to guide us into a period of loving kindness practice. So however, or whichever options that you've chosen during the poll earlier, indicating how you're feeling in the moment, whether is it feeling stressed or very tired or feeling like giving up. Just taking this time to begin to attend to ourselves with kindness. So you may wish to silently wish yourself a phrase. May I be well and happy. May I be well and happy. So giving ourselves that compassion for just who we are right now. That whatever that has happened in the past week has passed, including those moments that we might feel angry with ourselves, or feel frustrated, or feel overwhelmed because we didn't get it right, or we wanted to do better, but we didn't. Just acknowledging all those critical judgments that we might have of ourselves and just acknowledging them and begin to give ourselves this kindness, this unconditional wish to ourselves to be well, to be happy. Now inviting you to think of or bring to mind someone who cares about you, perhaps a good friend, a family member, someone who is looking out for you. Sometimes we might not know that they are doing that in their own ways. So bring this person to mind, this person who cares about us, and see if you're able to extend this loving kindness phrase to him or her. May you be well and happy. If you like to, you may even add another phrase if that resonates with you. May this person be safe. Just noticing and being aware of what's here for you as you extend this loving kindness phrase to this individual in your life and looks out for you. And now inviting us to mind another person whom we are grateful for. So him or her who in their own ways has helped us. And we feel grateful for their presence, for their words or even their actions. And see if you're able to extend this loving kindness phrase to him or her. So wishing this person, may you be well and happy. May you be safe. And now very gently, just letting go of this individual, and next, bring to mind a neutral person. So this could be a neighbor, could be someone that you meet at the shop owner, could be the bus driver that you see every morning when you take the bus. Someone that you don't know particularly well, but you have an impression of. It could be the cleaner who sweeps the floor in your office. See if you're able to extend this well wishes to this individual as well. May you be well and happy. May you be safe. And now, if you choose to, you may wish to bring to mind an individual that you find challenging speaking to. So whoever this might be. So it may not be ideally not the most difficult person, but the moment you may just bring this person to mind, you might notice certain emotions or feelings. And see if you're just able to take this moment to recognize that we all have our own moments of feeling frustrated or upset when things doesn't seem to go the way we want it. Just putting ourselves in their shoes as well, if possible. recognizing that they, like us, also wish to be well and happy. So if you choose to very gently wishing this person to be well and happy. And now beginning to just expand this well wishes to everyone else. Whether you know or you don't know them, you can just include them in our awareness. And wishing everyone to be well and happy and to be safe. So in whichever part of the world you're in right now, whatever the situation might be in your respective country, whether is it still in lockdown or still the rising number of cases of the pandemic, just taking this moment to pause and wish everyone to be well, happy, and safe. And coming back to ourselves for just making all this possible. Wishing ourselves to be well, happy, and safe once again. And just taking your time to observe another 3 more beautiful breaths. And gradually beginning to introduce some movement into your toes, just wriggling them, moving your fingers when you feel ready. And if your eyes are closed, just very gently, just beginning to invite them to be open. And as you do so, look at the screen with a beautiful smile on your face. And I wish all of you to be well, happy, and safe wherever you are.